Okay, I'm going to skim over this, and this time I made this just a little bit wetter, so it'll go on easier, especially on the skimming. Woo! Almost fell off the step. Okay, let's see. Trying to do this so you can see it. Come on. Almost had it all. Almost had it all out of the pan that time. Okay, that's it. That's all I can do. That mud. Oh man. Oh, my wrist is getting sore just from pulling it on and stuff. Okay, now I'll just go back over it like I've been doing. This stuff is dry. Okay, so you're just going to lightly go back over it anywhere where it looks high, where it feels high. Yippity. Taking special attention on the edge of the step. I want it to taper down to nothing. tomorrow, when I come out here, I'm going to do some more tight skimming, but I'll make the material just a hair wetter. And it's just enough to cover little low areas and to smooth it off. Not too shabby. Well, this is my last bit I'm going to do, and I made it almost like cake batter this time, so that I can put this on. Let's see, right here. Going on pretty good, actually. I didn't cover the steps, each step, making it runny, because I didn't think it would stick or it would build up without kind of slipping around. But maybe I should have tried that. Get it just down in there. Get it out of my pan. Okay. See, because I have it wetter, it's not drying out as quick. It'll eventually dry out too quick, but not until I get this done. Now I've got it thin enough. Probably shouldn't have gone over that again. I've got it all lined up enough to where any voids after that, I can go back with the 6 inch if I wanted to. I think that's about all I'm going to do. And I got a little bit more here. Grab my 3-inch knife. Boy, it's just Only so much material you can put on at a time before mixing up some more. I think that's all I can do. Okay. Now do I dare mix up? I think I'm going to mix up just a little bit more for this bottom step and do it with my 10-inch and call it a day.